Hi, my name is Jocelyn de la Garza, and I recently did my service learning at my neighbor's house. So what it is that I would do community service and I would provide after-school tutoring at various neighbors' houses. What I would first do, I would knock at their door and see if they needed any help, since I've known them since I was a little kid. I would just go and see if they needed any help, and two parents were willing to let me into their home and help their children out. So I would go Tuesdays and Thursdays from 4 to 6, or I would try to. And what I would do is I would just ask the children if they needed any help with their homework. It was always a yes. And we would start by doing social studies or reading or math. I would usually see math a lot just because everyone has trouble with math. And it would usually be adding or subtracting, multiplication, or division. And on my first day, I had two students. They were in second grade. They were both girls, and they both needed help with their math homework. So it was basically adding and subtracting. They didn't really need help with that. What they needed help was with multiplication. Once we got to multiplication, they were hesitant about it. So what I would first do is I would work out a problem with them, and then I would let them know this is how you do it, and then they would get the hang of it. They would just need someone to be there to help them out. Any experiences that I have relating to the class, I remember in one chapter we read about patience and how it's important to always be there for the student and ask questions. And I remember it was on a Thursday that I was helping a student out with social studies. He wasn't getting it. So what I would do was I would have him write down little notes for himself on the side, and then I would read it to him out loud. We would read out the passage again. We would have, I would keep writing little notes for him down, and it was just, I had a lot of patience with him. So that's what I would have to say about relating it to the class. But overall, my experience was very great, and I learned a lot.